Now let's take our RAG application a step further. Now we're going to be using a PDF file. This is a short PDF file from the Amazon Bedrock. I just took 2 pages from there, and we're going to use it to chat with this PDF file. So in our application, just to take it a step further, here let's go down through the code. We have our Bedrock client set up here. We're gonna need 2 models again. We're gonna need the LLM. We're gonna be using Amazon Titan Text Express v1, and we're gonna need an embedding model. In here, we're using Amazon Titan Embed Text v1. And again, we're using LangChain with Bedrock, so to set this up. And then in the next step here, we're going to create the PFD loader, and we're passing the path of our PDF file in order to load it up. Now, in the next step, we're going to create a text splitter, which is going to create chunks of the PDF file so we can process those chunks and create embeddings from those chunks. In order to create the chunks, we're going to pass it to, we're going to call the PDF loader load and split method, and we're going to pass the text splitter, which is going to take care of splitting our documents. So we're going to print those documents. We're going to see it in the console log, the first thing we're going to see there. Then from those documents there, we're going to put it inside of our vector store. And again, we're using the Facebook AI Similarity Search library in order to create the embeddings and have our vector store available to get a retriever. So that's the next step. From the vector store, we're going to create a retriever, which is going to be able to do some similarity search, and we're going to return the tab K or the 2 tabs documents that are more relevant to our question. Now in the next step, we're going to do a quick test. We're going to call the retriever. We're going to invoke it with a question. So for example, what is the process of building a RAG? And if we look into the PDF file, they talk about RAG in here, right? So we should be able to retrieve this chunk, and I'm asking for 2, so it should retrieve something else as well. So from there, we're gonna see the retrieved documents, so we can see the documents that were retrieved. And then if we continue down, we're gonna do this next. So for now, let's just execute what we have here. So we're gonna do a quick call so we can execute it, and we should be able to see the documents and then the retrieved documents based on this question here. So let's see here, we can see everything here. We see the documents, so we can see a bunch of chunks right from here. We see documents that were coming from this user guide PDF, and then down here, these are the retrieved documents.